Hi, I'm Lydia. How are you? Welcome to this affirmation practice for health and healing. Have you ever admired a beautiful lotus? The lotus flower grows out of the mud underneath. It is the mud that nourishes it and allows it to bloom in beauty. Without the mud, there would be no lotus. And that's the law of nature. In the same way, when you encounter challenges, illnesses, and imbalances in your life, they are not punishments, but are opportunities to help you rise stronger. Your body is always listening, responding to every thoughts and emotions. And if your inner patterns can create imbalance, then they too can create renewal. With love, acceptance, and positive affirmation, you can guide your body back into harmony. This meditation will help you do just that. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Gently close your eyes and take a moment just to come back to the present. Become aware of the space that you're in, sensing the weight of your body, the flow of your breath, and your beating heart. Now let us begin the affirmations. Repeat each one after me with feeling and intention. My body is the most precious gift. I am grateful for my body and the life it carries. I love all parts of me and accept it exactly as it is. I am so strong for getting through my toughest time. I thank my body for its strength, resilience, and wisdom. Every breath I take fills me with energy and vitality. I welcome health and balance into every cell of my being. I am grateful I have the chance to heal. I acknowledge and appreciate my body's hard work towards healing. I honor my body's needs for rest and rejuvenation. I am grateful for all the moments of peace and joy in my life. Feel the warmth of gratitude radiate through you. Softening your heart, filling you with love and appreciation. Remember, your body responds to every word you speak within. Repeat each affirmation after me and let it feel real. I forgive myself and release all self-judgment. I release all tension and stress from my body and mind. I let go of what no longer serves my highest good. I let go of past hurt and resentments, and I choose forgiveness and compassion. I learn and grow through all my experiences. I am not responsible to carry the emotions of others. I let go of what is not mine. I let go of all fears and doubts and limiting beliefs about healing. I am deeply connected to my emotions, and I embrace them with love and understanding. I surrender to what was, what is, and what will be. I release the need to control and come back to the present moment. I release expectations and open myself to peace. Take a deep breath in. And let's sigh it out. Feel the lightness of release, as if all of your layers are gently falling away. Trust that you've let go of the past. You've taken back your power and the freedom to move forward in healing. Continue to repeat each affirmation with trust, letting them guide you back into balance. I am the creator of my own health. I give myself permission to heal and to thrive. My body heals quickly, easily, and completely. It is safe to trust that I know what's best for me. The healing intelligence within me is remarkable. The infinite healing power within me is transforming every part of my being, making me whole and healthy. Every cell of my body is filled with balance and vitality. I am deserving of all good things in life. I wake up each day to greater strength, vitality, and harmony. My heart and soul are open to receiving miracles. Every part of me, mind, body, and spirit, is in balance. Rest here for a little longer, breathing in trust, breathing out renewal. Allowing your body's innate wisdom to awake and to flow in harmony. See yourself now, living in perfect health. Your body feels light and strong. Your breath moves with ease. Your heartbeat is steady and calm. See yourself now, living your best life. Your whole being feels open and at peace, and energy flows freely within you. Your eyes shine with clarity. Your face glows with vitality, and your heart radiates joy. In this moment, you are healthy, whole, vibrant, and full of life. Return to these affirmations each day. Repeat them before you've drifted to sleep or as soon as you wake up to a new morning. With time, you will witness your body and mind transform and miracles naturally unfolding in your life. Thank you for practicing with me. This is Lydia, and may today be the start of something beautiful within you.